Attic space like this one makes for perfect extra storage, but if you have a lot of lines like this, it can really be a problem, trip hazard, and you can really damage some of the systems of the house. But Joe, of course, has a solution to this problem.
Well, in this case, it's particularly a problem because you see these lines run right in front of the door that enters into the attic. So the solution is just to build a simple wooden bridge. In this case, it's just 1/2-inch ply with a couple of 2x4s screwed down to the underside. And you notice the 2x4s are on edge because in this particular situation, these lines are pretty high up off the ground. In other cases, they're a lot lower, and maybe you can use a 2x2 or turn this on the flat side. Well, all you simply do is just lay this right over the lines, get it as close as you can to the air conditioning unit, and then just screw down. Got some toe screws, some 2-inch screws on each end. It's just enough to hold it in place. Now this could be a trip hazard here because you see it's about 4 inches high. So what you can do is put down some spray paint of orange or some yellow tape, or just to make people aware as they're walking in that this is here so they don't trip over it.
Great idea.